Hello everybody, welcome to my page. I've hit another milestone with my subscribers, so I thought I'd do another trick for you. If you've not subscribed, hit the like button or the follow button, wherever it is, and I don't know where it is, just click it, follow me. There's going to be more madness, there's going to be more Disney, there's going to be more card tricks if I get more subscribers. I'll do a little card trick for you now. I won't shuffle the cards up yet, we'll shuffle them later because I'm rubbish at shuffling cards. You've probably seen it in my other trick, just can't really shuffle them, I haven't got the hands to do it really. So what we'll do is we'll save that card there, look at that card there, memorise that card, have a good look at it. That's the card that you're going to remember, that's the card that I'm going to try and magically find. Right? So you remember that card? So what we'll do, we'll put it in there, we'll put it in the middle-ish there, yeah. Now what you're probably saying is, oh, he knows exactly where that card is. I don't. So what I'll do, I'm going to shuffle the cards a little bit. I'm again not very good at shuffling. There's probably professional ways of shuffling the cards. I'm not very good at it. So we'll do a little bit more of a shuffle there. Let's do a bit more of a shuffle there. I can hear somebody saying he's not shuffling very well. Why don't you cut the cards? Okay, let's cut the cards as well. Let's do a cut there. That's not very good. Not very good at cutting the cards either. We'll do a cut the cards there. Let's do another cut there, say. Oh, let's put that one on the top there. Okay, that's ruined that little bit. Let's do another little shuffle then, just to please everybody out there. Let's shuffle them again. Let's shuffle them again. There you go then, so they're well and truly shuffled, yeah? So, now what I'm doing now, your card is in that deck somewhere. And what I want you to do is to send the vibes for me, because the stronger you send your vibes, the stronger this card is going to move within the deck, and it's going to go up and up and up through the deck. And if you're really good at this, your card is going to appear there. So start sending your vibes now. Send them, send them. You sending the vibes. I can feel the cards moving. I don't know if you can feel the cards. I can feel the cards moving. The whole laptop desktop here is starting to vibrate a little bit. The vibes are coming through, the vibes are coming through. I think it's there, I think it's there. Is that your card? Sorry? It's not your card. What do you mean it's not your card? It should be your card. That's not your card. Hang on. What's happened? I know what's happened. You've been sending too much of a vault. You've overdone it. You've overdone it. You've forced your card up so far. It's disappeared from the deck. I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to have to call upon the Hollywood Tower of Terror and a bit of Disney magic to the card trick. Shall I? That's summoning the card back. That's summoning the card back. Let's try it again. Summon the card. Summon the card. I think now you've moved the card. It was there somewhere. It wasn't there. It's moved somewhere. It's in here. Can you hear that? There's something in there. Let's have a little look. There is a card in there. Now is that your card? See? That is magic.